Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing two assets, the clip that needs the background and the new background image or video. Open Alight Motion and import both into a single project. Tap plus, choose project size, then add media. Once both layers are present, position the background layer beneath your subject clip and trim durations to match. You want clean edges, so set the subject clip to a format that supports masks. Next, switch to the subject layer to create the first mask for isolating the foreground. With the mask active, tap Mask and choose Pen or Rectangle to trace around your subject. Use Feather and Feather Fall Off to blend real edges. Don't overdo it or you'll blur details. Once the mask isolates the subject, duplicate the subject layer and apply a keyframe to its transform properties to match motion with the background if needed. Then, select the background layer, adjust scale and position so composition feels natural. Make color tweaks using hue/saturation or curves to match lighting. This sells the composite. Finalize by scrubbing the timeline and refining keyframes. Ease in and out for natural motion and nudge mask points when jitter appears. Export a test clip at your target resolution and check for halos, color mismatch, or edge flicker. If you see artifacts, reopen the project and increase mask feather slightly, enable matte blur, or refine edge points frame by frame for critical shots. Once satisfied, export the full video using appropriate bitrate and format. Remember one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.